Deep ruts and ravines dominate the route out of the twilight zone of Kanayat. In wet conditions, this would have been a real battle zone. However, even under dry conditions, it's not a piece of cake either. Man, machines, tires, winches, equipment must pass the ultimate punishment before the final glory. They all passed the test convincingly here and made it through. This year's event has had its share of crisis, dramas, action, excitement, and many changes to the route. The pre-event monsoon rains actually made the going shorter by flooding most of the original route. And the rain did not fall during the event days, but still, everyone respects the formidable tropical tracks, wet or dry. And so, there is every reason to rejoice. They made it. This is the biggest international 4x4 gathering of its kind in the world.
This year's RainForest Challenge has been very good. We've had a very big entry from all around the world, 23 countries represented. We've had lots of new vehicles, people who haven't competed before. They found it totally different to anything that they've done before. And made many friends, even though we haven't been able to communicate with everybody because of the language barrier.
My name is Ludmila, I'm from France for the press, and this was the second time that I joined the RainForest Challenge, and which I like very much. I enjoyed myself, and I'm hoping to be back for next year, which I believe will be in a different part of Malaysia. So hopefully see you next year.
RainForest is a nice experience. This year we have the mist of rain, so everything was so dry that no one can believe it in the monsoon season. So we expect next year to be better and better and better. So till next year.
The RainForest is a good experience.
The camaraderie and friendship is as sick as the jungle humidity. Simex RainForest Challenge is also a time for international friendship here in Malaysia. The smiles on their faces say it all. It's the time for everyone to be acknowledged and for the winners to take their place in the Hall of Fame. The young guns from Poland made it to third place overall. Not bad for a first-timer. Malaysian team from Johor made it to second place.
Championship, overall championship goes to...
And to the deserving champion of Simex RainForest Challenge 2004, the winners go to Team 102 from Sabah, Malaysia. Congratulations!
First time datang RainForest ini dari SS1 sampai SS5 kelima SS ini pertama ada makal banyak sedikit lah yang dapat first day lah. Lepas tu masuk di hutan, hari-hari mau kena ambil nombor. Tapi nasib pun baik lah ni tahun, baris pun okey lah. Jadi jalan pun, kereta pun dah rusak. Nasib baik lah ni tahun lah.
This has been the 8th edition of the event, the making of which has not been easy due to climatic conditions and awesome tropical terrain. But in the end, it's the triumph of the human spirit against the impossible odds and knowing that Mother Nature is supreme. And so, that's all for now. See you again in 2005 in the state of Terengganu, Malaysia, where adventure never ends.